Make a great choice today with the 2025 5 Series. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated front seats, security system, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.